Wait, you're throwing away the most powerful part of the avocado, and you have no idea what it can do for your body. Today, I'm going to reveal why the avocado seed could be the secret to preventing deadly diseases, cleansing your system, and completely transforming your health. And the last benefit will leave you absolutely shocked. So stay until the end, because this could literally change your life. Every time you cut open an avocado, you're making a mistake that 99% of people make, throwing away the seed. It looks like a useless, hard pit, right? Wrong. The truth is, that little brown ball hides a power so great it could revolutionize your health, and the food industry knows this. But they would rather keep you in the dark. Studies reveal that 70% of the avocado's antioxidants are concentrated in the seed. This means you are literally tossing away the part richest in compounds that fight aging and disease. It's like buying a gold bar and throwing out 70% of it without even thinking. Antioxidants are your best friends in the fight against free radicals, those sneaky molecules that attack your cells and accelerate aging, wrinkles, inflammation, chronic diseases. Free radicals are the culprits. And the avocado seed could be the shield your body needs to protect itself. Imagine your body as a city under attack by thousands of invisible enemies. The seed acts like an elite army defending your cells day and night. The sooner you start using it, the stronger your body's defenses will become. But wait, why doesn't anyone talk about this? The answer is simple. It doesn't make money. If people knew that a simple pit could reduce the risk of heart disease and even certain types of cancer, how many expensive medications would they stop buying? And it's not just about prevention. This hidden superfood can also give you more energy, improve your skin, and even speed up muscle recovery after workouts. It's like having a free natural supplement, yet most people keep tossing it away. Now that you know this, will you keep ignoring the seed? Or do you want to discover how to unlock its power? In the next segment, I'll show you a shocking effect on your body that happens when you start consuming it. And I promise you'll want to try it today. Now, imagine this. All those chronic pains, bloating, and discomfort you feel could have one hidden cause: silent inflammation. And the avocado seed might be one of the most powerful natural weapons to fight it. Research shows that phenolic compounds in the seed help reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. In other words, it works like a firefighter, putting out invisible fires in your body that can lead to heart disease, arthritis, and even Alzheimer's. Single quotes as, think of your body like a machine. If you don't take care of inflammation, it's like letting the engine overheat every single day, until one day it just fails. But by using the avocado seed, it's like adding a protective oil that keeps everything running smoothly. And the best part, this protection doesn't come from an expensive pill or a chemical-filled supplement. It's hidden in that pit most people throw in the trash without a second thought. Imagine starting your day with less joint pain, more energy, and a more stable mood, all because you added 1 teaspoon of seed powder to your smoothie. It might sound simple, but the results are incredible. But here's the thing. You can't just grind up the seed and eat it like a snack. There's a specific process to unlock its full potential and avoid risks. And in the next segment, I'll show you exactly how to prepare the seed safely and effectively. Wait until you hear about the last benefit. Scientists believe it could be a game changer in the fight against serious diseases. And that's exactly why the industry would rather you never find out. Now imagine your brain as a computer. The more you use it, the hotter it gets, the slower it becomes, and eventually it starts to crash. But what if I told you that the avocado seed contains compounds that act like an antivirus for your brain? Studies show it's packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect nerve cells from oxidative damage, meaning less risk of memory loss, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and even anxiety. It's like installing a biological firewall that keeps your brain young and sharp. But that's not all. Your heart also benefits when you decide to use the seed. This little pit contains soluble fiber and antioxidants that help lower LDL cholesterol, the infamous bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. It's like with every heartbeat, your heart is getting stronger and more protected against clogs and heart attacks. And all of this happens without expensive medications or side effects. Just a natural powder you can add to your day. You might be thinking, okay, but isn't this exaggerated? The answer is no. In some ancient cultures, like in Central America, the avocado seed was used for centuries as a natural remedy to strengthen the body and treat digestive problems. Only now is modern science proving what they already knew. It's like rediscovering a forgotten treasure. Imagine waking up every day with more mental clarity, stable energy, and without that heavy feeling in your body. That's what happens when your brain and heart work together at their best. The avocado seed isn't magic, but the effects on your body might feel magical. And if you're one of those people who spend hours on your phone, consuming sugar and coffee just to get through the day, this little trick could change everything. The combination of antioxidants and fiber also stabilizes blood sugar levels, avoiding those energy spikes and crashes that leave you exhausted. But be careful. This doesn't mean you should start chewing on the raw seed like a nut. There's a correct way to prepare it to unlock these benefits and avoid unwanted effects. In the next segment, I'll guide you step by step on how to transform this stone into your secret weapon for health. At the end of this video, you'll discover the most surprising benefit of all, an effect so powerful that some researchers believe it could be the future of cancer prevention. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now that you know how powerful the avocado seed is, you're probably asking, but how can I eat it safely? The answer is simple, but a lot of people get this wrong. If you try to chew the raw seed, like a nut, you'll end up hurting your teeth or even your stomach. So let me show you the right method to turn this stone into a super health weapon. Step 1. Remove the avocado seed and place it in a dry spot for 48 hours to let it fully dehydrate. During this time, it will harden even more. But don't worry, this is exactly what we want for the next step. This way, it's ready to be processed without losing its nutrients. Step 2. Once it's dry, put the seed in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. This helps remove any remaining moisture and makes it easier to grind. You'll notice the seed turns a reddish brown color. That's your sign it's ready to use. Step 3. Carefully cut the seed into smaller pieces using a large knife, because it will still be quite hard. Then place the pieces in a powerful blender or food processor and grind until you get a fine powder. This is your golden powder, the superfood you can store in an airtight jar to use whenever you like. Now, how to use it? Just add half a teaspoon of this powder to your smoothie, tea, soup, or even sprinkle it on a salad. Don't overdo it. The seed is potent, and a small amount is enough to give you all the benefits without overwhelming your system. Important: never eat the raw seed or consume it in large quantities, because it can irritate your stomach. Remember, everything powerful must be used in balance. And trust me, with this simple trick, you're giving your body something most people don't even know exists. Here comes the best part. In the next segment, I'm going to reveal a hidden benefit of the seed that might be the biggest of all. And it's so powerful, the pharmaceutical industry would rather you never discover it. Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear could change the way you see avocados forever. Now you know. The avocado seed isn't trash. It's a true superfood hiding right under your nose. While millions of people keep throwing away this treasure every single day, you can use this secret to protect your body, strengthen your brain, and even fight invisible inflammation that's wearing you down from the inside. And the most shocking part: early research shows that extracts from this seed may even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Yes, the pit that everyone throws away could be the future of serious disease prevention. Now the question is, will you keep ignoring this secret, or will you start transforming your health today? Share this video with someone who loves avocados, and comment below, I'm going to use the seed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to discover more secrets that can change your life. And click this video right here, because it's going to shock you even more.